What if I told you that long before the world agreed on the Greenwich meridian, ancient India already had its very own prime meridian? This was an invisible line that shaped astronomy, timekeeping, and geography for centuries. That line ran right through the historic city of Ujjain. Welcome to Sheer Knowledge TV, where we uncover the hidden stories behind science, history, and culture. Today, we're exploring how Ujjain became the astronomical heart of ancient India. So important that scholars once called it the Greenwich of India. To understand Ujjain's significance, let's start with something simple. What is a prime meridian? A prime meridian is a reference line running from the North Pole to the South Pole. It's the starting point for measuring longitude, just like the Tropic of Cancer is a reference for latitude. Today, the world uses the Greenwich meridian in London. But India's ancient astronomers had their own, centuries earlier, and they placed it right through Ujjain. According to ancient Hindu astronomy, the meridian passing through Ujjain was the first meridian of the Hindu geographical system. Every astronomical calculation, from planetary positions and eclipses to calendars, was measured relative to this line. And this wasn't a random decision. Ujjain lies almost exactly on the Tropic of Cancer, making it an ideal location for precise celestial observations. Its geographical position offered the perfect angle for tracking the movement of the sun, moon, and stars. As noted by historical records and the official district site, Ujjain held a central status for Indian astronomers for generations. For centuries, this city functioned as the zero longitude line of the Indian world. But Ujjain wasn't just geographically ideal. It was a thriving center of knowledge. Great scholars like Varbhamihira, Brahmagupta, and Bhaskaracharyya contributed groundbreaking work here. Their texts formed the backbone of Indian astronomy and mathematics. Observations made in Ujjain helped refine the Panchang or Hindu calendar, planetary motion models, eclipse predictions, and timekeeping systems. Imagine a time when an entire region based its scientific and ritual calendars on a single meridian, the Ujjain meridian, because of this central role. Historians often refer to Ujjain as India's Greenwich, just like Greenwich became the world's reference for modern navigation and time standards. Ujjain was the reference point for ancient India's astronomical world. It wasn't just a city, it was a scientific hub, a calibration point, and a cultural powerhouse. Even today, Ujjain's observatories, temples, and historical records echo the legacy of a city that once defined India's understanding of time and space. So next time you think of global time zones or the Greenwich meridian, remember, ancient India had its own prime meridian long before modern standards, and its name was Ujjain. If you enjoyed this journey into history and science, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sheer Knowledge TV for more fascinating knowledge.